Okay, so I've got some more upgrades done on the E46, put a carbon hood on it. Had to fluff around a lot with these adjusters. They didn't really, the bonnet didn't really shut properly, and so I took a bit to get it right, sitting right and sitting flush with the guards. These took a bit of work to get fitting right. Yeah, a bit of grinding and sanding, but in the end I got there. Pretty happy with the result. I think it fits quite nice, and yeah, I mean there was a lot of fluffing around, but in the end, yeah, it's fitting quite well. Check out how faded these headlights are. I don't know how any light was getting out of those headlights. So this black bumper here is actually the first M3 bumper style bumper I got, but then a blue one, the same colour as the car, came up for sale, and it came up really cheap, so I grabbed that and just kept the black one stored away, and we'll get around to painting it one day, just in case somebody else decides to have a head on with this car. So my original idea was to change the whole headlight surround for a newer one. The original one was leaking from the holes somebody had drilled for the aftermarket Angel one. But unlike the right one, I wasn't able to change all the guts from my original headlight into the new headlight. So I just went back and just put the missing pieces I needed from the new headlight into the original headlight. I siliconed all the holes in the original housing, so hopefully it doesn't leak anymore. Look at the difference that elbow grease makes. So I'm just making these holes here for the push type, pop type mounts that I got off online. buttons on the guards, just as extra measures, just in case some front ones don't hold the bumper. In the end, I'm happy with the finished product. Let me know what you think, and so comment and subscribe and do all that good stuff. Thanks for watching.